how to fix touch screen not working on Samsung. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now, first of all, you have to go on the call option that is located on your mobile. Then over here you have to write down star ash 0 star ash. As you write in this menu, then this kind of option will come to you, and there you will have all kinds of options. Now over here, test your touch screen, you have to click on touch button, and over here this is a touch option. You have to test this touch option. Now you have to fill this all up, then it will complete your test option. As this all fills up, if this all of this is working, that this means that your touch screen is basically good from the hardware side. Then you have to look on the software side. If the software is missing, then you have to just update your software or just restart your mobile. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.